Title: Geology, Uncovering Earth's Secrets. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word geology. Geology is the scientific study of the Earth's structure, history, and the processes that have shaped it over millions of years. It's like deciphering the Earth's ancient story. Pronunciation. Pronouncing geology is simple, dʒiʻălədʒi, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, geology allows us to understand the formation of mountains, the history of fossils, and the forces that shape our planet. Importance. Geology is a crucial field of science that helps us understand Earth's past, predict natural events, and make informed decisions about the use of its resources. Conclusion. In summary, geology is a word that unlocks the secrets of our planet and enables us to appreciate its rich history. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, keep exploring the depths of geology and the mysteries of our Earth.